Om Sai Ram children, this is Paati. I have a story for you. The name of the story is Birds in a Nest. Once, a long time ago, there was a bird's nest on a branch of a tree. To whom did this nest belong? Well, it belonged to a family of little sparrows. Perhaps you're familiar with sparrows, as they are a rather common bird. They're quite grayish brown with a little bit of white. This little nest had 5 eggs. Wait, I mean 6 eggs. One of them was rather large and did not appear to be the same as the others. It was in fact another bird's egg. This was a brown-headed cowbird egg. Now, these cowbirds lay their eggs in another bird's nest. Can you believe this? They come and invade or occupy space that is not their own. Well, did the mother and father sparrow take any notice of this brown-headed egg? They knew that this egg did not belong to them. However, they treated this egg as one of their own. Soon, all 6 eggs hatched, and there were 6 little hungry mouths to feed. 5 sparrow eggs and 1 cowbird egg. The birds grew. Their soft down turned into feathers, and then one day they were ready to fly. Mum and Dad Sparrow taught the first and most important lesson of obedience. When you are obedient, you listen and follow instructions and do what you are told. They said, being obedient was the most important thing to learn before anything else. The day for flying lessons arrived. All 6 birds were very excited. Cowbird was rather a bully with his size and pushed his way to the front to fly first. Mum and Dad Sparrow said, listen, if you end up on the ground during your first flight, it's okay. Make sure you call and we'll come and help you back to the nest. If you hear us call, return to the nest quickly because there may be danger. Now, Cowbird had spotted a flock of birds that looked a lot like him, so he was not listening. I don't think I belong in this nest, he thought. I'm going to try to catch up with that flock of birds. He stepped out of the nest, flapping away with his fresh little wings. And what do you think happened? Plop! Straight down to the ground he went. He tried and tried to fly off the ground, but he could not get very high before he fell right back down again. Luckily, Mum and Dad Sparrow spotted the little cowbird. They swooped down to the ground and brought him back safely to the nest. The cowbird then said, with a very sad voice, I am so sorry for not following your instructions. I promise I will be obedient and follow the rules the next time. Now, children, think about a rule that you have to follow and think about what would happen if you broke that rule. For example, you know that rubbish goes into the bin and not to be left around. Your parents and teacher would be disappointed if you left your rubbish lying around. So remember to follow the rules. Thank you for listening and goodbye.